Okay, cool. Oh!
There are some links that still need fixing.
I have an idea. We'll show it. Is that you, Fatima Al-Kedbi?
Yes.
I will show it. Can you close this? Okay, we'll show it here so the people in the video can watch it also. Is that you?
Yes.
So a bit of background. When I was in California last summer, I was in a hacker house, and one of the guys there was the founder of Bot Society, who is an Italian guy. And I'm so happy that now somebody's using this. Did you find it useful?
Yeah.
So I'm super excited to see this. So you tell me what to do. Oh, that's you? Okay, you do it.
It's about.
The black is my mouse, and the white.
You can go through.
No, you do it. Oh, you're over me. Hi. Okay, you do it.
Try clicking.
Go, go, go.
Try clicking.
No, you click, you click.
It's not clicking. So it's a gym bot.
It's a gym bot.
Yes.
And this is a prototyping tool. Can you explain a bit what is this Bot Society tool, please, to the class?
I actually used it because the other one wasn't working with me, but I found it really.
What? You use it because chat flow was not working.
Wasn't working.
That's fine.
Okay. So,
You can read it. Hi there, gym junkie. This is Dana. Dana, your gym nerd. I will provide you with all the information you need to know about our gym.
what?
Are you a member with us?
No, I actually think it's important. You said you have to introduce yourself and it should be fun. Learning from
Okay, anybody has a comment on that?
It's fine. It's fine. See? It's also so Jimmy, I know.
It's fine if you're not. So I'm sorry. Not fine.
But you can check this class schedules, Jim. Not the class schedule, Instagram. What? I don't even know. You can fix it. Yes, probably.
I'm a member with you. Okay. Yes.
Enter your membership.
That's what I'm talking about. Please enter your membership. This is wow, this is automatic. Hold on, I'm going to pull this up. Yeah. Hello, Jose. Wow, you know my name? How can I help you today? That feels like a deja vu. The classes schedule, my progress. So, how many clicks to finally show me the schedule, which is what I need?
Well, because you can be a member or not. And I need your membership number because I will show you the progress.
So, where do I click now? Schedule? Schedule. Wow, this is very professional. Really cool.
I like that. Choose the first one.
Body pump. Yes, sir. Don Jose, see you at 8:30. Ha ha. Interesting.
What's this?
Very.
Oh my God, you're I see 3 smiles, 4 smiles. They're smiling.
I like it.
She got to the point.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
I
Yeah,
wanted
interact.
something like that.
Interaction, it's okay, fine.
And she motivated, she said, that's what I'm talking about, this is motivation,
Clear
it's mine.
services.
Yeah, I give you a 10 for motivation.
And
Minus 1 point for the number of clicks.
but still, you have many things to ask. And he can check his progress chart. And it's a gym, he doesn't need to be in a hurry. Okay? It's not an emergency or something that they need more. While drinking coffee, they will book an appointment.
That's very good. So this is for one gym, right?
Actually, yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Are you familiar with an app called ClassPass?
It's a hub.
ClassPass, which I have here. ClassPass is an app that does exactly this in an app format. not in a chat format. So you pay like 400 dirhams, and you can go to 4 or 5 classes every month. And so you don't need to, if you go to yoga, for example, you don't need to go to the counter, spend 5 minutes paying and registering. You just click, and they get the payment from Apple directly. So you go to the yoga class without the stress of having to pay. Is there any room available or not? You have to call first. No, you just do it here. And a few yoga studios have the API connected to ClassPass. So it also shows you a map. So I'm in this area, and it shows you the classes available today near you of various yoga studios. So that's super convenient. So that's interesting. So yeah, very good. Okay, awesome. Any criticism, comments? There is more. Hold on. Yes. Where should I click now? Well, I must hurry up because at 8:30 I have a yoga class. So
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Should I press here? Thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Now.
What happened?
Because I couldn't add more clicks. They wanted to. I should be a member. I should.
You should pay money to buy
Yes.
Photo Society.
Yes. So now refresh.
Wonderful. There are 2 views now. Okay, what else?
Maximize to reply to my mind.
What? Oh, sorry, I didn't see this.
I know you're not a member.
I'm not a member. Let's see what happens. Very good emoji use. Did I mention already that last year I wrote a paper about emojis, and we find out that people that use emojis are happier? And I show it to the wife of my friend, who she thinks she's from Eastern Europe, and she thinks emojis are not serious. And she's very serious. And his husband is Portuguese, so he's more Latino. And I showed the paper to her, and she did not like the paper. Right, okay. Yes.
So you want to join the gym now?
Yeah, you want to join the gym.
Awesome.
Before we proceed, why do you think it's important to use emojis in your applications? Or not?
It is important.
Why?
It shows feelings. It conveys messages.
You said feelings? What kind of feelings?
Like you can feel it.
You can feel things. Yeah, okay. Yes, Jumana?
Especially when you're texting, you know the person's angry or not.
Right, because text you don't know, you cannot convey the feeling very well, like, hello,
Just text.
parentheses, I'm happy, so it's a happy hello. Okay, yes, Jumana?
Because we said that the purpose of creating chatbots is personalized. It's to make it like metaphormism, that one, that one. So in order to make it
Anthropomorphism, yes.
yeah, exactly. In order to make it like this, when we add those emojis, it make it more
Okay,
personalized. and
okay, that's one reason. No, but good.
Okay.
If you can use emoji and you can make the people happy through emojis or and through the text, when people are happy, their IQ is higher. When people are unhappy or afraid, their IQ is lower. Did you know that? I didn't know that.
I didn't know the IQ changes.
It changes.
With the people.
Oh yes, people are more creative when they are happy. There's this guy called Don Norman, and he has a very good experiment. He explains there is this room, and there's like a bridge, and your team has to go from one side to the other, and they have like a rope, and a tire, and a plank. So there is a way they can put the things together to cross. When they tell the teams, you have 5 minutes to do this, and if you don't do it, you will die, they don't manage to do it. And when they tell the team, hey, this is this fun exercise, and here's some donuts, and have fun. They do it. It's the same people, the same exercise,
A different situation.
stressful situation. You stress them or you don't, and one team arrives to the solution creatively, and the other fails. When the brain is stressed, your brain becomes narrow and it goes into survival mode. When it's happy, it's more open to ideas and it's more creative. So people, when their IQ is higher and they are using your app, they will use your app better. In other words, they will find it more well designed. They will make less mistakes. They will find the solution faster. When they are stressed and they want to use your app, they will make more mistakes. They will be less creative. They will use it worse. The same app, the same people, the stressed one will say, this app is crap. The same person happy will say, this app is fantastic. It's so easy to use. So that's another reason why you want your people to be happy when they use your app, because they will use it better, and as a result, your app is easy to use. You get it? Super important. Okay, so sorry about that. Yes. John, awesome team. Join, awesome. Awesome. John, the awesome team. Which one? It's super expensive.
This is actually really pricey budget.
Yeah, well done. Please upload. Wow, I take a picture. I will mix boys and girls together.
Actually, go for ladies.
Should I go ladies only? Great. Oh, wow, very good. This is awesome. Please enter your mobile number. Ah, thank you. That's somebody's mobile number. Thank you. Our staff will contact you.
I was thinking for the payment, but like people are not actually.
How could you pay using a chatbot?
Something pay or iOS.
I thought yes, Apple Pay.
Apple Pay? Yeah. Some link. You can put links in the chatbot, you know that, right? Yeah, I'm sure. So, well done. Very good.
It's there. Yeah.
Okay. Very good points. Any improvement points you would add here? Yeah, I don't see any. Pretty good, no? 5 points? Yeah, very good. Yeah. 5, 6, but I'm sorry, there's no more.
6, then 6.
Well done, Matar. Well done. Fatima Said Al-Kedbiya. That's awesome. Anybody else wants to show something? Shamsa? Next week? Next week.
Next week, no class. It's converted to Saturday.
Yeah, you should explain, please. Okay. Awesome, fantastic. Shall we start with the slides? So, yeah, optional. I will know who goes.
Sir, you will be there. You will be there. Tell us what happens if we do not go.
What will happen if you don't
I
go?
mean, what you learn.
You will not know how to identify a real data scientist from a person that says they know but they don't know, which is a very important skill. Because many people say they know data science and they will try to sell you something. And how do you identify that? When your boss will ask you, we need to hire some data scientists, how will you know how to recruit it if you never met real good data scientists? Huh? How? Right, because now I show you two pictures. We can play the game, and who is the good data scientist? How will you know? You will not know. So I think that's a very important skill to
And you think we can build this skill from this meetup?
in this meetup, you will see how people use the tools. Don't be afraid to ask. People love to help people. Like, I always go there and ask lots of questions I said to somebody smart, I say, how do you do that? What did you? No, they like to help. People like to help, especially if you ask. Humans are programmed like that. There's a lot of research about that also. If you ask, people in general like to help people.
Oh, some they make like that.
Yeah.
Like me now.
No, not in these meetups. No.
In meetups, we don't know. I would never attend meetups.
People are super helpful in these meetups. So
You will see
just
that.
ask,
You're
really.
more excited to attend, right?
You'll see, you will love it. And don't be afraid to ask questions.
I think I will not ask. Because my
You
questions will look very, very silly to their
Yes,
level.
I agree.
So what? So
They'll be like, why did
what they want to get,
Yeah.
you go there to learn, and they love to help, okay?
Just listening. How do you
Because
feel?
if I ask questions, it's like I'm insulting myself, my education.
They already know that you don't know data science or anything. Like, you're not losing
Will you
anything.
be embarrassed or will be embarrassed to ask?
No, too embarrassed to ask. Don't be too embarrassed to ask. The point, they love to teach other people. You keep asking questions until they say, shut up.
Okay.
If they don't say shut up, don't ask more questions, it's fine. Does that make sense? I ask questions and they make fun of me sometimes, even me.
Of you, they make fun of us, what they will make.
But that's a very good lesson. It's also how the psychology of the typical data scientist is not very emotionally intelligent. So it's really good if you also understand that. Does it make sense?
Because they deal more with data machines programs, not with the humans more. Maybe that's why they're emotional intelligence.
Yeah, I remember last meetup I asked a question and the guy made a bit of fun of me because I had this question. Like it was not very smart question. But there are no silly questions. There are silly answers. Okay. So one thing you should never do is to criticize the question they ask you, unless you really hate that person. But it's a very good skill to learn. So don't be afraid. And if they make fun of you because you ask a question, which is very silly,
Let's see. It's like
then come back to me and you tell me, and I will make it look like an accident. I will take care of them, don't worry. No, but seriously, ask questions, see what happens. No, what's the worst thing that can happen? Okay, so everybody, can you go to the slides, week 7? They are posted on Slack, they are also on GitHub. And let's see, we also have these ones. So the other day we were watching the DataX blog and project from Berkeley University, yes? And this project is here. We saw also that cool people post their content on GitHub. So these guys posted a course on GitHub, the whole course. PDFs, Python notebooks. So there's 2 PDFs. So we saw one here, and this is the notebook. Awesome. So this notebook is like a presentation and some exercises that we will do today. And let's see, and this is a PDF with a PowerPoint. All these on GitHub. So this is equivalent to publishing a book of your lectures. And it's great because it makes you famous, and you see how many people downloaded the content. So it's great. How do they make money?
or who?
It's like PR, right? So they become famous thanks to this. Then UA University hire them to come here to give a lecture. That's how they make money. That's what you want to do. It's very good for your curriculum. So your chatbot projects, the final project you will do here, I will ask you to put it on GitHub, right? Which is something we don't teach you here, but we should be teaching you. So in this, so Alexander was here, by the way. So this is a Python notebook. Look, it looks like a document. Do you see it?
When will we have the workshop of GitHub?
It will be in, so the next week, no, the next one. Yes, sounds good. So actually, I also told them that you can go to visit this company called Reactor. You can also go to visit because it's in Dubai also. So Pavel Nesterov is the guy organizing the meetup, and he works at this company, Reactor. It's an AI consulting company. They do AI projects for the government. So cool. Okay, so let's start with this Python. So go to Kaggle and open an empty notebook because you will type things there. Okay, so open a Kaggle, go to kaggle.com, to your account. God, what's wrong? What's wrong? Create an account. No, I don't want to create an account. Sign in. Is everybody in Kaggle?
Do we have to create a kernel?
Create a kernel, yeah. A notebook, yeah. So you can play. This is done in kernels, I think.
New kernel.
New kernel? Do you know how to do it? New kernel, here. Okay, awesome. So you choose notebook, I guess? Hmm? Awesome, okay, cool. Yeah.
Any comments?
Yeah, comment. Perfect. Let's see. Markdown. Perfect. Test. Data X. You can put a title at the top. I can open the results. Ta-da! There it is. Beautiful. Return to the editor, and I can modify it. H2, H1. Oh, H1.
Not on script. No, it is notebook.
Notebook.
Click here, I click on this one.
You got it? H1, H2, H1. Very good, which is not exactly correct here. So that would be H2, oh, Markdown here. So try to play with the headings H1, H2, H3 and type something.
Sir, I don't have the comments as a green button to click on.
Can you help her? Yeah. You got it? You got it, okay. So put a nice title, data X. Yes, yes, very good. Okay, so make your first cell go down and type hash space and put a title. Yeah, like I did in my notebook. So this is the output.
What would it be about? Coding and what would it be about?
Just put the data X test. So type this, look at me, type this, data X, hash data X, test, demo, whatever you like, and then a new line, and don't worry, you can do it together with her if you want. Yeah, and then two hashes, space, don't forget the space, takes time, don't worry. This is a test, and then 3 hashes, and see how that size changes. So this allows you to write very nice text and comments explaining what you're doing. Perfect. So now you commit the code. Yeah, close that window. Open it again. Open your window, yeah. Close it. Commit. Close. Return to editor. Return.
Now return to
Commit. No. Well, open the window to see the results.
Oh, okay. Now I'll commit again.
Yeah.
Which window is happening?
Can we have that, please? That's weird. Log. Converting, executing, writing, converting, But you didn't write anything, Habibi. If it's empty, but write something at least. It's empty. Write something.
I thought we should comment and then write.
Write something.
So here we open the C.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then
Very good.
How
Yeah.
to mark down? Which code? What is the result?
Very good, very good, very good.
What is the result?
It doesn't appear. Jumana Markdown. Edit. Click edit. Did you choose notebook or script? This looks like a no, it's a notebook. See? Practice Python. Jumana, don't have it. Oh, now yes. This is Markdown and code. Click on code. Yeah, click on code. Click on Markdown.
Now should I commit?
Commit. Yes. 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 What's the difference? So the cell can be code or Markdown. If it's code, it's Python code. So you cannot do nice formatting. If it's Markdown, it's not about coding. It's about a document which is written with Markdown, which we saw the other day, remember? So Markdown has this formatting rule. Close it again. Come on, seriously? I'm sure there must be an explanation. What did you do? Let's see. You did this. Yes? And I'm gonna commit this. Somebody's having a party, huh? Interesting. Well, I think it could be because it's private. So let's make it public. Try now. Yeah.
No.
So weird. Wow. Incredible. You found a bug. Completed text. Interesting. Draft saved. What is it wrong? This must be something wrong. Why? Oh, well, anyway, you can also run it, and you will see the result here. You see it? When I click here on run, you don't need to commit it. That's fine. I run it.
But why did you not commit?
I don't know why, seriously. It's okay. Must be some weird stuff with the JavaScript in your browser. It could be anything. Yeah, girls, look at this button here on the left side. And boys. You see this button here on the left bottom here? You see it?
Yeah.
So you can click and it will run without committing. So you see that it ran my cell, and now this is the output of the Markdown. Markdown is awesome. So I'm gonna edit, and for example,
Markdown is when you want the text
yes,
to look like if you want to style it or to look
yeah. So agenda for today. Learn Markdown. Yes. And what else? No, I'm just showing to you. What else? Learn Python notebook a bit. And data X slides, right? So if you want to do, for example, bold, you can do like this. 2 asterisks in front. So let's see how this pans out. Oh, it's a nice list. You see? It's so cool, right? Yeah? You see it? Oh, great! Try to do a list.
Yes.
Do a list. The agenda for today.
Yes. Please.
It's the list, you make hyphen, space, and the list. That's a list. Bullet list. You can have a numbered list also. Next week. Go to the meetup. You can also put links, so it's really good. Space? Minus, yeah, minus. Awesome. Whoever has the list ready first gets a biscuit from Italy. You got it? You want Yes. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. Okay, try to make a link now. How do you make a link with markup? Yes. You got it? Very good. Is it working? No, right? No. Oh, God, no. Just play. Play here. Well, now he thinks it's code, but it's markup language, so change that.
Why is it executing again?
Because you clicked. So go down and see what's going on. This is a test for today's class. Yeah. Did you? Ah, you made a link already. Wow, good job. Bonus for you. Awesome. So a link, well, that's not really a link. That's
I tried.
make a link, like a link. So it's a keyword, and inside there is the link. So how do you do that? Just Google it. Markdown, insert link. How do you do that? No, that's a website, but I want a keyword.
That's on this side.
Oh, the second one. Try to do the second one. Very good. Wonderful.
I have a bonus, right?
I think Matar got it first. So. Matar got it first. Did I say bonus?
Yeah.
Okay, then you have it.
Yeah, bonus. We need bonus.
All right, excellent. All good? So Markdown is pretty cool. Yeah, it's very powerful. If you go to the meetup and you are using Markdown to take notes, everybody will say, yeah, she knows what she's doing.
One of us.
One of us. Exactly. Got it? Okay, the next thing we want to see is the following. Is it? There is a thing called conda. I think we talked about this the other day. Conda. So there's a Python is Python. And then there are the libraries. The AI library, this library, the signal processing library, there are many libraries. It's a mere night of libraries. It's a chaos. Some library needs another library, and this library needs another library, and which version is correct? It's such a chaos. There's a company called Anaconda, which is here, Anaconda. Anaconda. And these Anaconda people, this Anaconda, what they do is, you got it? Good job. These Anaconda people, what they do is, don't worry about all these libraries. Install these, and we will make sure every dependency is correct. And there's a team of people doing this. That's their full-time job, so you don't have to check the versions of the libraries, dependencies, and so on. Okay? So in all those meetups, everybody has a Python version installed in their laptops by Anaconda. So before you go there, go to Anaconda and install the Anaconda version of Python into your laptop. That's your homework. Got it? So this is your task. So when you've done it, you send me a screenshot of your laptop that you install Anaconda. And don't Photoshop it, because I will find out.
Okay.
It's a local host.
Huh?
You will do it local host.
Localhost, yes.
I think I downloaded it.
You already have it?
Yeah. Right? Or is that
That's Python, but I'm not sure it's Conda. So type Conda there and see what happens. Maybe you have it already. Anaconda prompt. Very good. But you still have to send me the screenshot. I will ask you to execute a command to check if you have Anaconda installed and which version. So I'll do that later on. Got it?
What
Good.
do we execute?
I will send you what you have to execute, and you have to send me a screenshot. Now, this is Anaconda. It's a very famous company. How do they make money? So they have this for free, but companies that need really professional support, they get money from them. So that's a typical freemium business model. It's like Dropbox. Dropbox is free,
There is a business.
but users that want more space, those pay, and they subsidize the free users, which is 94% of the users are free in Dropbox, and the rest of the users that pay support the whole thing. It's called freemium, and it works in many places, like here also. Yeah? Good. So that's content. GitHub. You will learn GitHub soon. You don't need it for the meetup. That's that. This Google Colab, it's very cool. This is a notebook where you can all work together in the same notebook. It's like Google Docs for notebooks. It's fun. This is the famous blog, datax.blog, that you can check later on, and that's all. Okay, cool. So, another thing you should know. The project Jupyter, these notebooks you are using, they're called Jupyter notebooks, so, but we just call it notebooks. Okay, so so we just play a bit with markup so far, bullets, enumerated lists. You just type a number dot space, and it will know it's an enumerated list. So go to your notebook and change your bullet list to enumerated list by changing the -2, 1, dot, 2, dot.
Where is the code is now?
Go to your notebook and change the bullet list to number list.
So number is NM.
No, just replace the minus for one number.
Can you put the link in Slack, please?
It's already there in Slack. Just Google DataX on the Slack search box, and you will find it.
They come up.
You don't need to compile it, just press play.
Yeah, but just I found
What about you? Hanson?
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Right. If there is no space, it doesn't understand that this is markup.
Why does it come in one line?
You don't like it?
No.
Show me the code. Put a new line between the first header and the first, yeah. Try now. Is it better? No.
No, I want one.
I understand. Put another line between the two and the previous. Put another line, see?
between everyone and the other one like this.
It didn't work out. Oh, it's terrible.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't have a space between the dot and the visit. Maybe that's a problem. Yeah, start. Now, remove the extra line you have between the 1 and the 2. So the space is important, isn't it? It is important, yeah. Everybody got the number list? Yeah? No? Why not? Don't worry, it's not so important. You can also embed images.
One dot space.
Yeah. Just do it later, don't worry. Everybody, look. You can do it later, don't worry. Just look here. You can embed images also. So just go to the markup. How do I embed images? You will find it. Don't do it now. It's not so important. But it's useful. Okay, now let's play a bit with Python, right? So you already know how to play a bit, so Do you want to print hello world with Python? So make a new cell in your Python notebook. So go here, and you make a new cell. Do you know how to make a new cell?
No.
Me either. So let's see, how do I do it? Maybe it's tab, or no, or control tab, I think.
Problem, the network which
How do I make a new cell? Oh, I don't know.
It's not clear the screen for us.
Oh yeah, okay. Wait, I will fix it. Hold on. Shoop, shoop. What about now? Yes? Okay, so I want to make a new cell, and I don't find how to do it. Maybe like
Maybe
this?
if you click only on the plus sign.
Maybe on the plus side? Oh yeah, I think it's on the plus side, yeah. Blip.
When I click the plus sign.
Wonderful. So here I'm gonna select code, because I'm gonna do code now, right? Yes? And I'm gonna say print Hakuna Matata and enter, and then I play. The play, please. And Hakuna Matata appears. Incredible. I am a genius. Are you a genius too? It's very creative. Welcome to Trends. Wonderful. Got it? Awesome.
There
Let's.
is no space between the T and the column, right? Or there is.
Doesn't matter. Python doesn't care about those things.
Where is my result?
This is a comment. Do you see it?
yes.
So try to execute some operations. So I'm going to make a new cell because it's a different idea. I'm going to select code, and I'm going to run this. And what happened? Everything got
Well,
executed.
it's operation. not-
New cell, and
What did you do?
Cool.
I just run this cell. And what's the result?
4, 9, 10. No, 4, 6, 10.
4, 6, 10, and it only shows the last operation, okay? It shows. Yeah, only show. It does everything, but it shows only the last line. Got it?
But there is no print.
There's no print here, but that's Python, how it works. Next one.
Yeah, but where is the code that says show the last answer?
That's the default way Python notebook behaves.
That only the third line?
Only the last line will show. If you want to show everything,
Print?
yes. Or you make a line for each cell, you know, like,
New line.
yeah. This is a variable, right? The variable name is, what's the variable name?
Temp str.
And the,
Variable name is
and the value?
value.
It's a text, right? So if I print this, I will see this, correct? This is another print, so I will see this, yeah, it's in memory, yeah? You can also execute Unix commands. So this is running in a computer in the cloud. ls in Unix means what?
Show the folders.
So let's see what folders do they have in this kernel at Kaggle. So I'm gonna, I am going to check it out and see what do we have. So this is what I have in this.
Is that one or
Let's see. See.
ls.
Oh, and this is the upper. This is the upper
It
stuff.
shows us what if we
Interesting. Yes?
These are files, right?
These are files in the computer of Kaggle. Yeah.
It's a virtual machine, right?
Looks like it's a virtual machine, yes. ls means list. Excellent.
This is in Unix.
It's a Unix machine. What time is the prayer?
I asked.
It's now. Okay, we'll stop here for the prayer, 20 minutes, and we'll come back. We continue. Yes? Cool. No, not yet. Is it yet? No? Not yet? 5 minutes? Okay, then. 6:30. All right, all right. You can, okay, this is a very cool stuff. So I want to do a loop. So in Python, you can do loops with for something, something, but the professional way to do a loop is like this one. So let's see. All right, so run this. Let's see. For I for I in range. So range 1,000 means it will make a list of from 1 to 1,000. No, from 0 to from 0 to
999.
correct. I think I see. Yeah, from 0 to 999.
Range is between parentheses and then 10.
Yeah. So for I in range, or range returns a list. So what I'm saying is, for every I in here, do this. And this means, show me the I.
Yeah.
Which, and then this is what I'm getting.
Yeah.
It's a way to write a loop in one line.
It tends from 0 to 9.
So give me the squares. How would you do it?
Squares.
I times I. Let's try it. Like this? No, no? Yes, that's correct. Very good. Give me the even numbers. How do we do that? Only the even numbers.
I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1.
Yes.
I give you 1 minute to find it out. Bonus point if you find it. I only want the even numbers from 0 to 9.
Yeah, if we start from 0, yeah, I plus 2.
This is so good. You want some? No.
But no, it doesn't work.
You want?
It doesn't work. It shows 9 and 7 and 5.
Yeah, it's not a very good idea.
I plus 1.
You got it? Who's got it? Yeah. How do we do this professionally? I want to be professional, okay? Yeah.
I want an integer. And I divide by 2 equals an integer.
If I
What about odd numbers? I got odd numbers. I got odd numbers.
Yes, that's how I want it now.
Even now, I got it.
Yes, that's.
I plus 2.
yeah.
I divide by 2. What?
I wrote I plus 2.
What is not equal to?
That's awesome, Jumana. But I'm asking, give me the even numbers from 0 to 10.
Only.
And you are giving me what?
To 20. It shows
No,
me to
I
20.
want to 10. But I don't want to change that. That's not professional. So I give you the list from 0 to 10 to 9, and you just pick the, so look at the screen.
That's not equal to.
So I added a condition afterwards. And it means that only do the first thing if I percent modulus 2 equals 0, right? Which is
Exactly.
if
I divided by 2 equals 0.
not divided by 2, but modulus,
Okay.
modulus operation, right? Perfect. I think they're praying now, so you can go. Got it? Excellent. Now, you got it? Equal? 0. Go, go, go. What's life? Space, space. Yes. Beautiful. Now give me the odd numbers, please. How do you do it?
Not equal to.
Yes, or equal 1, right? Not equal 0, correct.
But how to write not equal?
Have no idea, Romano. Try things. You got it? Very good. Now give me the numbers between 2 and 5. The numbers between 2 and 5.
Numbers between 2 and 5?
Yeah. The numbers between 2 and 5. No, don't change the range. I want from that range.
Less than and equal to.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I greater than 2.
You got it?
There's lots of ways.
Oh, there's so many ways.
4, 5. There's a condition, a stupid condition.
I got it.
Now, let's be professional. Will this work?
We have to print only greater than 2 and smaller than 5.
Or 2, 3, and 4, and 5.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't. I think you got it. Perfect. Now let's be professional. So let's declare a function. This is how you declare a function in Python. You type def space, the name of the function, parameters, 2 dots. I think it's 2 dots. And then it is, and then let's try it. Odd num. And I'm going to try with number 2 and run it. See. That's not how you do it. So I think it's this one. Let's see.
But what does it do?
No.
Add num?
That's it?
Add number?
Oh, it doesn't like it.
Add num?
Return its parameters like this. See?
I
Mm,
put
yeah.
the value of I in this side.
Don't worry, it's fine. Is it like that?
Now in
In its spaces.
This is actually even.
I can't see it.
Very good, Matara. That's why I like you. True or false. But it's not working. Why is it not working? Python if statement.
did this,
I don't remember.
in the
Oh, if else. Oh yeah, I forgot.
in the
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here it is. If.
in
No. It's
this one.
if 2 dots. So it has to be like that. If 2 dots.
Yes.
By the way, in Python, this is important. This space here.
Yes. To recognize the
Else, like that. Is that correct? Yes. So this indentation is super important. It's like using parentheses, which I forgot to use.
the block.
Let's try now. Still not good. If return true. Okay. Odd num is much better than before. Name error. Name I is not defined.
Not defined.
So it should be an X, right? Because the parameter. Very good. Kind of working. And now if I put this here, they don't like it. In Python, you have not. Perfect. Is it working? See?
Not as a capital letter?
No, it's not working anyway. Oh, I break it. I broke the code. Draft saved. Why are you not working, Habibi? I'm gonna reload because it's not working. Okay, somebody got this odd number function defined? Mm-hmm. Let's see. Def. Invalid syntax. Oh, why is that? Because you think it's Markdown. Okay.
Python is case sensitive.
Definitely, yes.
First, sir, you have to define, as Asha said, x. Put x as 0 or not xi.
Choose a word.
Oh, you mean like
X is equal to 0 first.
here? Is that what you think? No, I don't think so.
That's what they're saying here.
Oh, you found, wow, you're very good at this. Why is it not working? No, see?
Right?
I think it's because I think it's Markdown, that's why. Code. Markdown. No, this is code. Wow, but it was working before. I don't get it. Odd number. Define. Let's see why this is happening.
Do we have to return?
Oh, that could be the problem. Thank you.
Sir, you have to print
I think
or
return. That's the problem, I think. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Now, that was the problem. I was not returning anything. Thank you. Bonus point for you. So return, right? So now I can use this thing I wanted to use before. I cannot use this, but I can use not. Let's see. False. Excellent. So we have your first function. And now let's be professional and let's use the loop and let's use the function in our loop instead of adding if at the end. You can do it like so you can be more cool. So let's do it. So I'm gonna copy the same. Right.
Show us the code cell one more time, please.
There it is. So now I'm going to add this function here. Odd num I. See what happens. You ready? Woo! Exciting. Invalid syntax. And again, invalid syntax. I'm invalid. Oh no, this is a disaster. What about this? If odd num x. Let's try this one. See if this works. Please, please work. Oh no.
4x.
Oh, this should be I, right? Thank you. Bang. Yes, you got it? Yes? If odd number.
I'm sure it's the same.
So only if it's true, it executes the first command, which
Did
is...
you put x equal to 0 at the beginning?
No, no, you don't have to do that.
Never mind.
Another thing you can do is you can call the function. Look at this now. I'm going to move this to the top. odd. What will I see now?
Odd number.
What will I see? What will I see? False, true, false, true, false, true. Right? Is that correct? Yes? False, true, false, true, false, true, false, true. Yes? Yes? Good? Are we good? No? We're not good? You don't like it? Yes or no? You can do cool stuff like this, I think. Let's not remember. No, you cannot do that, but you can do this, I think. Ha 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 ha, it's funny. Let's see if this works. Nah, they don't like it. Let's see. This is one. Not bool. They're so boring sometimes, seriously. Oh, that's nicer. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, so you can do very cool stuff. Yeah, like I just made a list of text lists doing that. So Python is very powerful. Lists are very powerful. Yeah, you like it?
No, I don't like it anymore. Because of spacing, it does not want to work. What is this?
It's so sensitive.
Don't fight with the computer.
So sensitive. I'm fighting with the programmers.
Okay, that's very good. We have to go to pray, no?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let's have a break, and I'll see you in 20 minutes.
We come back at 7?
Yeah, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5.
Why you choose the
Actually, it's enough. That's it. It's good.
1 second, I'll finish.
You need to do it. It's fine. You need to put this at the beginning to tell Python that you are going to add strings.
To converting the number to
So he knows it's just some, I don't know what Guido was thinking.